Welcome back. In this video, we will show you how to use Plux to filter companies based on any criteria and then dive deeper into a selected company to understand its financial and operational profile in just a few minutes. So, let's get started. Click on Company Screener from the dashboard and you will see a list of over 100,000 UK companies. This is your starting point for top-down discovery. At the top of the page, you will also find a natural language input box. Here, you can simply type a question or filter like you would ask a colleague. So, let's try. Show me dental companies under 100 million revenue with negative operating profit and outstanding charges. Once I click enter, Plux instantly filters the companies and in this case shows 5 companies that match the criteria. This allows you to quickly get to the companies that matter. You can also manually apply filters by clicking the filter icon on any column, whether it's revenue, operating profit, or number of charges. Once we have filtered the companies, let's click on Roderick's Dental Partners to explore it further. This opens a detailed company profile in a new tab. Right at the top, you would see key financials including revenue, operating profit, EBITDA, and employees, and much more. Every number on this page is fully cited to its original source, with a clickable link to the exact page of the source filing. For example, here we see that Roderick's reported £92 million in revenue, and if you click the citations, it will take you this page having £92 million of revenue, showing the exact filing where it's extracted from. Importantly, Plux converts all scanned Companies House PDFs into searchable, copy-paste friendly text. You can see that I can now copy, search, find, do anything over these documents. Now let's scroll down to the company profile section and you will see incorporation date, company type, the country of origin, the registered address, the SIC code, and a short business overview. Then comes the full financial breakdown of the company, including its balance sheet, income statement, and the cash flow. Also, you would notice that every number is also cited back to the original source. As you scroll down in the company profile, you will come to the leadership overview section. This section gives you insights into the director's activity, how many directors have been appointed, how many have resigned, what the recent changes have been. You will also see the laid out timeline view along with the breakdown of active directors, resign, and the persons of significant control. We also show you few insights about the director activities, what has been the turnover signal given depending upon how many directors have moved, resigned, and all those metrics. Furthermore, if we scroll down further, we will reach to the key highlights and future outlook section. These are AI-generated summaries based on the company's filings and management discussions. For example, in the case of Roderick's Dental Partners, we can see Roderick's acquired 5 dental practices in FY 2024, which took the total number to 165. This kind of information helps you quickly understand the company's recent activity and future direction, all fully cited and sourced. Now, we move to one of the most important section for restructuring professionals, the charges and mortgages view. Here, Plux shows the total charges, the active charges, the satisfied, the average duration, the number of fixed charges, the number of floating charges, the negative pledges, who are the creditors involved, and the charge timeline. You can filter to see all the outstanding charges, and you can also go back to the original charge and also get the details about that charge. You can also see the active charges, the charges which have been satisfied. So with this view, you have a quick overview and a deep insights about what the charges have been looking like for this company and who are the creditors involved. Furthermore, when you scroll down, you will see the share capital view. This section includes all the latest SS01 and other capital related filings, information on the stated capital, and the timeline view of these filings, any changes or new issuance of the capital as well. Then finally, there comes the corporate risk assessment module, where it is based on the management discussions in the company's filings, and it helps flag key financial or strategic risks mentioned by the management. Finally, Plux also gives a regulatory compliance risk tracker, which actually tracks whether the company has filed its confirmation statement on time, how many filings were filed on time, how many were filed later, how many were delayed, and the exact timeline of all those confirmation statements filing. We will also find a note here that who was the auditor of the company. So just like that, you were able to figure out the company, screen the company, and go deeper into this company in just a span of few minutes. In the next video, we will show you how to go even deeper by asking strategic questions to Plux and running high-level diagnostics in seconds. If you have any questions at any point, please email us at support@plux.ai or use this help button at the bottom right of your screen to contact us at these numbers. You can also use this help button to request a new company you want to get covered, or request a new feature, or submit your feedback. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.